Hi everybody, it's Sam here from Frugalisama with another So Frugal 22 prize for you. So Frugal 22 is a challenge that myself and Raglan from the Yorkshire Sew Girl are running over on Instagram during the month of March to make a garment using a free pattern and using fabric from your stash. The reveal date is on the 31st of March. If you want to give us a sneak peek of what you're making, then do so, and that would be #SoFrugalWhip, WIP. We've seen lots of fantastic works in progress so far, so keep them coming. We've got over 70 vloggers involved with the challenge, giving you their ideas and inspiration. And today we've got Liz from The Baker That Sews, and we've got Steph from Knots and Needles. So both of those have got lots of lovely ideas for you, and both of them actually including a few children's patterns amongst the adults' patterns as well. So today I've got the prize reveal and a free pattern from the same pattern designer for you, and that is the Avid Seamstress. She's very generously donated 2 PDF patterns, and if you've never seen the Avid Seamstress's patterns, she has a really lovely sort of clean aesthetic. Not a lot of puff sleeves and frills and flounces on her designs. That's not to say that you can't add them. You can add them. I think that's the beauty of quite a basic pattern, is that you can put your own spin on them, and obviously fabric choice makes all the difference as well. So I'll just talk quickly about some of her patterns that you can choose from if you were to win the prize, and then I will tell you about the free pattern that she has. So the latest pattern that she has on there is the everyday shirt, so slightly elevated. I wouldn't say this was for beginners, but having said that, I understand that her instructions are very well written, so that if you are a beginner, I would imagine that she will talk you through all the steps. So this is just a lovely basic shirt. There's no yoke at the back, but you've got a notched lapel, long sleeves with cuffs on, and just buttons down the front. Make it smart or casual depending on your fabric choice. If you use like a lightweight tencel or a viscose or something like that, that will give it more of a casual look. And then if you go for a medium weight fabric such as a poplin or a chambray, I think that will give it a more structured look. And then there is an option to put a split stepped hem on that as well. So that's her latest one, the everyday shirt. She's also got the city trousers, and they're like a cigarette fit, so quite fitted but not tight, I wouldn't say. And what's unusual about these is it's a narrow waistband with a zip at the back, so if you're not fond of having extra bulk at the front, I think these are ideal. Not everybody's a fan, but I don't mind them having a zip at the back. It's personal choice, isn't it? So you've got a nice curved hip pocket on that one, and they are designed for a medium weight fabric with a slight stretch. So on her website she's got a blazer, a coat, a blouse, it's called The Blouse, and I think that's probably one of her most popular patterns, culottes, about 6 dresses, pyjamas, and then she's got 2 children's patterns as well, so quite a wide variety to choose from should you win. Her size range goes from UK 6 to 22, which is a 32.5 inch bust up to a 48 inch bust, and that's a maximum hip of 48 inches. You can buy paper patterns or you can print them at home or A0. So the free pattern that's available on the Avid Seamstress is one that I've never made. I haven't actually made any of her patterns before, but she gets really good feedback, so I think they're well worth investing in. So the free pattern that she has is available if you sign up for her newsletter, and that's a drop sleeve top. The sleeve is a grown-on sleeve. It probably goes to about mid-arm, and then there's a further sleeve to add to that, so it brings it down to the elbow. It's a great basic style, is this, that can be colour blocked. You've got colour blocking opportunities with that cuff. I've seen somebody do a different front and back to it. You can actually omit the back seam and do that on one, because apparently it's easy to go over your head. Good basic pattern, and I would have said an easy sew as well, because there's no buttons or zips on it. You can put a zip on it as a feature at the back, and I've actually seen a version whereby the sleeve part of it, they've put that onto a ruffle, and then another lovely version that I've seen where there's a ruffle across where the yoke would be. There isn't actually a yoke in it, so I'm not sure how they've done that, and then ruffles at the sleeve and some beautiful embroidery around the neckline as well. And there's also a really lovely quilted version. So I think with basic patterns like that, the opportunities for hacking it, making it your own, are endless. So it is designed for woven fabrics, is this one. So that's it from me today. I'll be back tomorrow with another prize reveal. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, that will tell you when I've got new videos out. I'm trying to bring them out daily at the moment with the prize reveals, but normally it would be once a week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.